Hey guys, this is our dog that's going super crazy, and that's our baby, of course, squat baby. And we have a dog. He likes playing, and we got some beers. I'm not drunk, and yeah, and come here. Then he'll come. And stop playing. And he's pretty much fun to play with. And he's going out of the rod. The light is easier to see. Not really. And like, this is our dog. This is his food. Can't really see it. And can't really see this. This is where my stepdad cooks. And that's all the... And he really much sleeps. And he doesn't really, he doesn't really bite or bark. He's a sweet dog. Get out of the camera. And he's just a sweet dog. And look at them, cowboy. Look at them. No, look here, guys. And thank you. And bye.